In this video, we will demonstrate how to terminate the FiberFox Splice On connectors onto a 900 micron fiber. Let's begin with a few safety reminders. Always work in a clean, well-lit area with plenty of table space and free from any trip hazards. Never eat or drink in the work area, and always dispose properly of fiber shards. When splicing fiber, always wear eye protection and manage fiber shards by placing them on a piece of tape and disposing of them in a glass jar. Before we get started, let's make sure we have everything we need and that it's set up correctly. We will use our FiberFox Mini 6S Plus Fusion Splicer. This splicer will allow you to install most Splice-On connectors on the market. You just need to verify the correct SOC holder is matched with the brand you are using. You can do this by reading the document on the DVD in the case, or you can visit the link below. Open the dust cover and make sure you have the correct SOC holders for the brand of Splice-On connectors you are using. Today we will be using the FiberFox brand SOCs for 900 micron fiber. So we will need the Fox SOC holder on the left side and the 900 micron fiber holder, AFH 900, on the right side. Next, open the heater cover and verify the SOC heater block is installed. Then verify the heating mode by going into the Splice menu. Since we are using a 27mm sleeve, it should be set to 21 to 30 millimeters. Next, we will open Settings and turn off the pull test function. The next tool we need is the thermal stripping tool. Hold down the mode button to power it on. Once powered on, press mode again to turn on the heat function. Then press the temperature button and set the heat to the second bar. Now let's look at our cleaver. It is used as a normal fiber optic cleaver with a fiber holder, or it can be modified to accommodate the 900 micron fiber holder for SOC terminations. We'll set it up for SOC terminations. Use the supplied Allen key to loosen the screw and remove the fiber holder. Now that we are set up, let's terminate our 900 micron fiber to an SOC connector. Open the SOC package and slide the strain relief onto the 900 micron fiber. Then slide on the splice sleeve. We will then remove the 900 micron fiber holder from the Fusion Splicer. Place the fiber into the groove and allow about 1 inch of fiber to hang out, and then close the magnetic holder. Open both doors on the thermal stripper and place the fiber holder to the end. Push down on both covers using firm pressure. After a few seconds, while continuing to apply pressure, slide the right door. The plastic coating will have been removed. Next, moisten a lint-free wipe and gently remove the plastic debris. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, since this can cause the fiber to move in the holder and create an alignment issue when splicing. Open the cleaver and insert the fiber holder into the slot. Close the lid and push the cleaver blade until it clicks. Next, power on the splicer and open the wind cover. Then remove the fiber holder from the cleaver and insert it into the splicer. Next, remove the plastic fiber protector and dust cap from the Splice-On connector, and then add the fiber positioning tool onto the end of the connector. Insert the SOC connector into the SOC holder. The connector must have the rounded side facing up. Press down firmly to make sure it is securely in place. Then place the holder with SOC connector onto the splicer. Press the refresh button to ensure your fibers are positioned correctly. Then close the wind cover and splicing should start automatically. Verify the splice loss does not exceed 0.02 decibels. If it does, redo the previous steps. When the arcing is complete, open the wind cover and then carefully slide the splice sleeve up over the bare fiber all the way to the SOC connector. Insert the newly spliced fiber into the sleeve heater and close the cover. Heat should start automatically. When complete, remove the SOC and fiber from the heater and push the strain relief onto the SOC connector. Then line up the outer housing with the SOC connector and firmly push it on until it clicks. You can either leave the fiber positioning tool in place or replace it with the dust cap. Now let's see the whole process in action.